Alright, I'm here at Splash just outside 103 East. It does have the Cava lock on it. When you first come in, it's got this little entry area right here. Master bedroom. There's no carpet in the entire condo. All tiled, and then in the master it has this wood look tile. And it's tile. It's not vinyl. King size bed in the master. Master bathroom. The bunk area. So it's got bunk beds, and then the bottom is actually a trundle pull-out bunk bed. So really you can sleep 3 right there. Full bathroom number 2 with the shower. Here's your kitchen. It's got the stainless steel appliances. Here's your view from the kitchen sink. There's my view looking out to the Gulf. Again, even though it's first floor, I'm about 30 feet, probably above sea level. Washer and dryer. He said the washer and dryer are only 1 year old. Water heater and air handler. This love seat here, I'm going to get the sun behind me so it's because it's so bright. Well, here's your view. I'll get out there in a second as well, but here's your view from in the living room. Super cool view. The couch, wow, I'm going to stand over here, maybe let the, it's just so bright, sorry. That couch is, the guy added 2x6s in the couch and then doubled up the springs and added a bigger mattress in there. So it's a much better feel. And that oversized love seat also pulls out, so it has a twin pull out as well. So that the couch is a queen pull out, and that is a twin pull out. So you can sleep a lot of people in here. And then I love this. So I'm a huge fan of this condo. It's on the east side, so there's the lazy river right there. There's the heated pool right below us. This is kind of the more adult side of Splash, and then the west tower is more the kids side of Splash. That's my view looking out to the east. My view looking straight out. We're higher than the palm trees, so there's the palm trees down there. So we've got great views, totally unobstructed views from this first floor again. So that's Splash Unit 103 in the east tower.